If you paid someone to file your taxes last year, this might surprise you. You may not have needed to. In fact, millions of people in the US can legally file their federal taxes for free every single year, directly through IRS approved tools. No hidden fees, no upgrades halfway through, no surprise charges at the final screen. So, why do so many people still pay? Because they either don't know these options exist or they don't trust them. So in this video, I'm going to break this down in a clear, simple way. How to file your taxes for free using official IRS programs, who qualifies, what options you actually have, and the mistakes you need to avoid if you don't want to turn free into expensive later. Let's start with the most important question. Is filing taxes for free actually real? Yes, it is. The IRS offers multiple ways for taxpayers to file for free, depending on income level, complexity, and comfort with technology. But here's where people get confused. There isn't just one free method. There are different options, and choosing the wrong one is where frustration starts. So let's walk through them one by one. First, let's talk about IRS Free File. This is one of the most commonly available options. IRS Free File is a partnership between the IRS and certain tax software providers. If your income is below a certain threshold, you can use guided software to prepare and file your federal taxes at no cost. And when I say guided, I mean step by step. It asks you questions, it walks you through your income, it helps you identify deductions and credits. So it feels similar to paid tax software, just without the cost. But here's something important. You must access it through the IRS website. If you go directly to a provider's website, you may not get the free version. That's one of the most common mistakes people make. Now, moving on, let's talk about another option. Direct File. This is a newer system introduced by the IRS. In certain states, eligible taxpayers can file directly with the IRS using their own system without going through a third-party provider. It's designed to be simple, clean interface, straightforward process, no upsells, but it is currently limited in availability and may not support more complex tax situations. Still, if you qualify, it's one of the simplest ways to file. Now, let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention. Free help programs. If you are not comfortable filing on your own, there are programs like VITA and TCE. These are IRS-supported volunteer programs where trained individuals help you prepare and file your taxes for free. This is especially helpful if your situation is a bit more complex or if you just want guidance. And yes, these are real people helping you, not just software. Now, let's pause for a moment. At this point, you might be thinking, if it's free, what's the catch? And that's a fair question. Here's the reality. Free filing is designed for taxpayers with relatively straightforward situations. If your tax situation involves multiple businesses, complex investments, or advanced strategies, free tools may not cover everything, but for a large percentage of taxpayers, they work just fine. Now let's talk about the process itself, because knowing the tool is one thing, using it correctly is another. The first step is gathering your documents, your W-2s, any 1099 forms, bank interest statements, records of deductions if applicable. This is where accuracy starts. If your documents are incomplete or incorrect, your return will be too. Next, you enter your information into the system. This includes your personal details, income, and any applicable deductions or credits. Take your time here. Rushing this step is one of the most common reasons for errors. Now, after entering everything, the system will calculate your tax outcome. You'll either see a refund or a balance due. And this is where many people panic. But remember, the system is simply applying tax rules to the information you provided. If something looks off, review your inputs. Now let's talk about something important. Filing for free does not mean you can ignore review. Before submitting your return, double-check everything: your social security number, your income entries, your bank details for direct deposit. A small mistake here can delay your refund or create problems later. Now, let's move into something that can turn a free return into a costly one: State taxes. Most free federal filing options do not always include free state filing. Some do, some don't. So you need to check this carefully. Otherwise, you may complete your federal return for free and then get charged for your state return. Now, let's talk about security. When using any online tool, make sure you are on a legitimate IRS or IRS partnered site. Look for secure connections. Avoid clicking random links from emails, and always verify the source. Your tax return contains sensitive information. Protect it. Now, let's address something honestly. Free filing is not about cutting corners. It's about using the right tools for your situation. If your taxes are straightforward, free options can work very well. If your situation is more complex, professional help may still be valuable. The key is knowing the difference. Now, let's talk about timing. Filing early has advantages: faster refunds, lower risk of identity theft, more time to correct errors if needed. Waiting until the last minute increases stress and reduces flexibility. Now let's bring everything together. Yes, you can file your taxes for free through IRS Free File, through Direct File in certain cases, through volunteer assistance programs, but success depends on how you use these tools. Gather accurate information, choose the right platform, review everything carefully, and understand your own situation, because free filing works best when it matches your needs. If you've been paying to file simple tax returns, this could save you money. If your situation is more complex, it helps you understand when free options are enough and when they're not. If this video helped you understand how to file your taxes for free, clearly and practically, subscribe to our channel. We break down real financial topics so you can make smarter decisions without confusion. And if you want more insights on tax strategies, planning, and compliance, visit gavtax.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.